Hello all. In this video, we will be learning about Python programming. In the previous video of the playlist in Python programming, we have learned two types of programs. One is sum of n, sum of square of n natural numbers, and another one is sum of cube of n natural numbers. So n we have given in the program directly as type. So in each type of program, we have three methods to determine it. One is the mathematical approach, another one is the generator approach, and the last one is brute force method. So if we know the formula, we can make use of the mathematical formula, or the next one is the generator approach, which is like one-line coding, and the last one is using for loop. If we do the programming using for loop, then it is called as brute force approach. For loop will be used both in the generator approach and also in the brute force approach. So this is what we have learned in the previous video. So now we are going to have a few other programs in Python. Multiplication table, how to generate multiplication table. So this program is all about multiplication table from 1 to 10 in Python programming. The number which I am giving is num is equal to 12. Asterisk we have to take input from the user. So we have two choices. Num is equal to 12, which means I am giving it directly, giving the number directly. And another one is I can get the number from the user. Okay. So if I get the number from the user, I will be the program or the system will be displaying that multiplication table. So num is equal to int. That is going to be an integer whole number value. That is nothing but an input. Display multiplication table of. Okay. So this will be displayed and the user is going to give the value as 12 or 11 or whatever is necessary. So two methods, num is equal to 12 is one method giving directly and another one is getting input from the user. Iterate 10 times from I is equal to 1 to 10. So the thing is, I have to go from 1 to 10. That is the logic. For I in range 1, 11. Okay. So this is a for loop. The loop is going to execute. Okay. So from 1 to 11, I need not give as 1, n plus 1 is not necessary because table 1 to 10 is enough. So for I in range 1, 11, so that is the loop for loop. So for every for loop, I have to close the loop using a column that is given. Print num. Num is 12, comma. This is x. This is a symbol of multiplication. I, comma, I. So what is I? I have to indicate from 1 till 11. Okay. So is equal to num into I. So the formula, I'm giving it in the print function. So which is very important. So now what I'm doing, I'm giving the for loop for I in range 1, 11. So 12 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10, I'm giving. What I have to do, num, that's 12. Multiplication symbol, I'm giving it directly in quotation, inside quotation, comma, I. I is 1 till 10 equal to, I'm giving it as a string, comma. So there I have to give the formula. Num multiplied with I. So this is the multiplication table program. So the next program is to convert the decimal value into number systems. So I have the decimal value as 344. So this program is not much complicated as we think. The thing is, decimal value is 344. Print the decimal value of DEC is. The system itself is having an inbuilt function to determine the decimal to other number system value. So what is that function? bin of DEC. That is the function which we have to remember. We have to by heart. OCT of DEC. Convert the decimal value to octal value. Convert the decimal value to hexadecimal value. Convert the decimal value to binary value. So what is the function? Bin of DEC, OCT of DEC, hex of DEC. So how I want the output to get displayed? The decimal value of DEC is, I have to display as a sequence. So the number will be displayed in binary, that is considered as a string. Okay. So OCT of DEC in octal. So that is considered as a string. Hex DEC, that is an inbuilt function. Come on. Okay. In hexadecimal, that is given as a string. So I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's a bye-bye from Radhika.